Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about Durable, how to create your website for your personal safety and self-defense training business on Durable, easy and quick. So first, type Durable on the search. So as we know, Durable website is a place on the internet where you can find information and services related to things that last a long time or are strong and able to withstand wear and tear. It's all about things that are built to stay in good condition for a while. Also, we know that you can build this website in just 30 seconds with this AI. So first, let's sign in. Now create new business and enter your business name. Type any business name you want. Uh, select your industry. Now enter your location and choose your website language and create business. Now wait a few seconds to generate this website. First, let's go to the first section, the header of the website. If you want to change your site name from here, if you want to turn on the logo, you can replace company name with the logo. Here, if you want to upload a file, if you want to change the label or add a link, if you want to uh, manage your social link settings, here if you want to add the channel, just select the type of the social link, and here you can add the link. So let's save this. If you want to add a section on the website, just click here. Now select any section you want. That's it. So let's move to the next section. The next section is the banner of the website. You can change the heading. Just click regenerate and it will be changed. Here, if you want to change this, just click here the subtext and it will be changed. If you want to turn this on and change the label here, if you want to add the link, so let's save this. The next section is the text and image section. If you want to regenerate the text, if you don't like it, you can regenerate it. If you want to regenerate the image, you can regenerate it from here. Here, if you want to edit the type or the size of the section of the writing, here you can edit the image position. And also here, if you want to turn this on and add the label or add the link, so let's turn this off and let's save this and let's move on to the next section. Next section, this is the same of this section. So let's move on to the next section. Uh, this is the gallery. This is the list of the website. You can change this if you want. Here, if you want to manage your display settings, choose what will be displayed for each list item. And here, if you want to manage the list items, also you can add the list item. Here, if you want to generate image or edit image position, if you want to generate the title. Also here, if you want to generate the content, you can generate it. So if you want to edit the size or the type of the writing, so like this, let's save this and let's move on to the next section. The next section is the testimonial section of the website. Here if you can add a testimonial, you can generate a quote, and also if you want to generate by who. And here if you want to upload a file, image, so let's save this and let's move on to the next section. The next section is the image of the website. You can regenerate it if you don't like it. Here if you want to edit the image position, So let's save this and let's move on. The next section is the contact form section of the website. Here you can generate another text, and here if you want to edit the type of the size of the writing. Here if you want to manage files, so here if you want to turn this on and custom input labels. So also if you want to generate form success message. So let's save this and let's move on to the next section, the location section of the website. You can edit it from here. Here if you want to change this, and here if you want to change the business address, here you can add the text file, you can add additional text file, you can add the title or the content. So let's save this, let's close it. Let's move on now to the next. This is the last section, the footer of the website. If you want to change the business name, here if you want to turn this on and upload a file. Also here if you want to add additional details, you can add your business address or any other relevant details, and you can turn this on and add a new label or add a link if you want to manage the social links, and here if you want to add the channel. So let's close this. Now if you want to regenerate any content of any section, just select the content and it will be changed. Also the style of any section, you can just select the style and it will be changed. And the entire section, if you don't like it, just select the entire section and it will be changed. So uh, if you want to duplicate this section, you can duplicate it from here, and if you want to delete it, just click on this icon of the delete and it will be removed. If you want to move it up or move it down like this, so now after you edit your website business, now after you complete the editing of this website, you can just click here, save, and wait a few seconds to publish your website. So now as you see, you can publish your website and get a free custom domain name. Just click here and it will be published. So that's it for today. That's how to edit and publish your website easy and quick. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.